Hello everyone, it's Michael. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, The World of Michael Trent. Today I want to share with you this super adorable little mini album that I made using products from two of my favorite companies. The album tutorial is called the Easy Mini Album from Your Book of Memories by Francis Long. I will have a link to this below. And the paper collection that I used, it's called Chanel, the Chanel collection. It's by a Brazilian paper company, Arte Facil Artesanato. Not available outside of Brazil, but the most beautiful double-sided 12 by 12 papers ever. This is a really cute book. It's 7 inches by 8 inches. This tutorial, if you are new to mini album making or photofolio making, or you want to get into it, this is the perfect tutorial for you. I don't work for Francis. I'm not earning anything from this, but I love to share what I love. And I am going a little crazy with this. I've made another one, which will be another tutorial. This was using photoplay paper, I think. Here's a nautical beach one that I'm almost finished with, using another collection from Arte Facil. And I'm in the process of making 2 baby boy books and a baby girl book. These are so easy to do. You can make at least 2 in a day if you just focus on the books. But let's get back to the books. So the books themselves only house 4 by 6 photos. I changed a little bit up from the tutorial, which I'll explain inside. But the album is 7 by 8 and I think 1.5 inches wide. So the paper is called Chanel. I used a black paper, one of the black designs on the back, flower paper here on the front. The tag is part of, I joined, Arte Facil has this monthly kit, and I just joined in July, so this tag was part of the July box. So was the paper collection, and so were the flowers. There was a sticker collection also, so I used the tag and I adhered one of the stickers on this, and this was, she sent like a little free gift, so this was some of the ribbon from the free gift. 3 of the flowers here on the front. You open this up, and I changed this from the tutorial. The tutorial has a little square pocket here, a triangle pocket here that's in the back. I'll show you later. But this comes out, this flips up here. So this, I made a pocket here. So this holds the pocket, this holds this flap closed, and there's room to add a few more photos here or ephemera or something. This pulls out, so you can put 1 or 2 photos here on this little flip with the acetate. This flips up, there's 2 more photos here. This wasn't exactly a 4 by 6, so I just bordered here with some very thin gold glittered washi tape. This is one of the stickers from the sticker pack. Okay, coming here, this in the original tutorial, this is just a little flap that just flips over here, but I made an accordion for 10 4 by 6 photos, and it's double-sided here, and it's held together with 3 magnets. So this is all magnetized. Magnetized? Is that even a word? Flipping this over, there's another pocket here for another 4 by 6 or 2, because you could use both sides. This is a frame with the Chanel pattern, another paper here. This little page here, this pulls out. This, oh, I forgot to put a piece of paper here. Okay, I'll go back and finish that one. This notch here is made with the envelope punch board from We Are Memory Keepers, and Frances explains all of this in the video in her tutorial. This is another pull out here for 2 more 4 by 6 photos. And then this flips over, a 4 by 6. This is another sticker from the sticker collection, and it's not glued down here. You can slip your photo underneath, but it is glued down here to the side. This side, again, these 4x6s here weren't an actual 4x6 size, so I boarded it with more of the gold washi tape. And then you flip over here, and here's more of the gold washi tape. This flips open. This is another pocket here. Okay, this flips open, and there's another pull out here for 2 more 4x6 photos. And there's room in this pocket for additional photos if you want to add it. This closes with a magnet, another sticker from the collection. And then I have 3 more here. This also is a little bit different, and I boarded this here with some of the paper from the collection. This is what really in the tutorial should be on this side, but so this would mirror here, but I wanted to change the front up a little bit. So this is a little closure here. Again, 3 more or 4 more 4x6 photos, and this holds it closed like that. And then on the back again, just this darker paper. I like to use dark paper if I can, because it's always going to be sitting down here and you're not going to see anything on this side either. Love this little wooden tag. What else can I show you? So this is the paper collection. It came with this set of a sticker sheet. Very different than from the United States, because these are actual stickers that you peel off. But this way you could layer it on a piece of cardstock and then cut around, or you can just layer it right into your book. This was another sticker sheet from the box, so I used a couple of the stickers there. And then these were some of the flowers that came in the box also that are here on the front. Anyway, I will link everything below, even Arte Facil. Maybe you're a Brazilian watching this. I'll even link to the monthly club. I should do this in Portuguese, but I'm afraid. Anyway, let me know what you think of this. And I'll be back with some of the other books that I made using the same tutorial, because maybe it'll get you fired up to try to make some of these also. These are great to make as gifts or to sell at a craft fair or something like that. Super easy to put together, super easy to change up. And I think this is really classy. Anyway, I hope you liked all this. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like. Click that bell on the bottom to be notified when I have another video. And I will see you guys soon. Take care.